Hello friends, today we have Ashrita and Ishita in front of us. Today morning they had a morning session on the occasion of Mahavir Jayanti. They were hosting their morning prayer in their school and they created some magic over there as being the host of the morning procession. And today here in front of us they are going to recite the same what they had done in the morning. Some sections of the script have been performed by other students which do not form part of this video. Anyways, whatever they did, they are going to recreate that magic for us now. So let's go and start with the same. Ashrita, are you ready?
Yes.
Ishita, are you ready?
Yes.
So let's start.
जाति से बड़ा धर्म है और धर्म से बड़ा कर्म है और सबसे बड़ा है इंसान। इंसान इंसान से प्यार करने लग गए तो ये धरती स्वर्ग बन जाएगी।
These words by Gopal Das Neeraj remind us that the greatest victory is not over others but over our own greed and anger. Lord Mahavir showed us that peace is the ultimate strength.
जो युद्ध लड़े मैदानों में उसे वीर कहा जाए और जो युद्ध लड़े अपने मन से उसे महावीर कहा जाए।
Good morning everyone, I Ashrita
And I Ishita
warmly welcome you on today's auspicious occasion of Lord Mahavir's Janmotsav.
जियो और जीने दो जिनका नारा था, ऐसे महावीर को हम शत शत नमन करते हैं और उनके बारे में कुछ जानते हैं।
Mahavir Jayanti is the most significant festival in Jainism. It celebrates the birth of Lord Mahavir, the 24th and last Tirthankara, who was born on the 13th day of rising moon in the month of Chaitra.
भगवान महावीर का जन्म 599 ईसाई पूर्व बिहार में राजा सिद्धार्थ और माता त्रिशाला के घर हुआ था। उनका बचपन का नाम वर्धमान था और वे बचपन से ही अत्यंत तेजस्वी थे।
At the age of 30, he renounced his kingdom and left all his comforts and pleasures. And after 12 years of intense penance and meditation, he, at the age of 42, attained Keval Gyan,
that is supreme knowledge.
after which he was called as Mahavir.
उन्होंने अपने जीवन में अगले 30 वर्ष जैन धर्म के सिद्धांतों विशेषकर अहिंसा परम धर्म का प्रचार करने में बिताया।
Ishita, do you know which is the most sacred and important mantra in Jainism?
हाँ श्रद्धा,
Navkar mantra. Exactly. So to feel the divine vibrations of this great mantra, let us move towards a soulful musical presentation.
So now we have a small presentation by the other students of the school. And after that presentation, again Ashrita and Ashita will start their part of the morning session.
Wonderful. Their performance beautifully captured the spiritual essence of the great mantra and conveyed deep devotion.
अहिंसा सत्य अस्तेय।
Wait. What are you speaking?
ये भगवान महावीर के 5 प्रमुख सिद्धांत हैं। अहिंसा,
Non-violence,
सत्य,
truth,
अस्तेय,
non-stealing,
ब्रह्मचर्य,
celibacy,
अपरिग्रह।
non-possession. Let us understand these 5 principles of Lord Mahavir through a skit where students of class 10C will show how Mahavir's values can be followed in our daily lives.
So now again we have a small skit by the other students while Ashrita and Ishita take a small backstage detour, and here they come again after the script. Small skit.
उत्तम सुंदर प्रस्तुति महावीर के उपदेशों को जीवित कर दिया।
Ishita, come, let's head to the sacred Kundalpur where the devotees are celebrating Mahavir Jayanti with great joy and devotion. And this is the end of our anchoring.
So this brings the end of the anchoring of Ashrita and Ishita. Wonderfully done, really nice.
And after which there will be a small slogan which will be told by Ishita.
Oh, at the end Ishita is going to recite a small slogan. Please go ahead, Ishita.
अहिंसा सत्य धर्म हमारा, नवकार हमारी शान है, महावीर जैसे नायक पाया, जैन हमारी पहचान है। आप सभी को महावीर जयंती की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद.
Thank you, lovely. Good job done.